12 hours, one historic city. Can we really cover Malacca's best? Jonker Street, A Famosa, and legendary street food? We took the challenge. From watermelon juice in the fruit itself to Pikachu bikes and that famous chendol. Was it worth the rush? Wait till the end to find out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Simply Shetty. So today we are on our way to Malacca, one of the most beautiful and historic cities of Malaysia.
Malacca is just 145 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur. That's around a 2-hour drive by car or bus. It's perfect for a quick day trip or a weekend escape. Just like that, welcome to historic Malacca.
We are near Jonker Walk, so lot of parking spaces available in this area. We pay around 8 ringgit for parking. That's the entrance to the Jonker Walk area.
This street is famous for its food, culture and night market kiosks.
Banners are out for World Tourism Day 2025.
Check out these beautiful and colorful bags. They are currently in trend in Malaysia. As you can see, the street vendors are already setting up for the night market.
So we are having fried jackfruit.
The streets are buzzing here at that square.
So Malaysia is like a living museum of colonial history. It was ruled by the Portuguese in the 1500s and then followed by the Dutch in 1600s and finally by the British in 1800s until they got independent in the year 1957. The colonial architecture, culture and some part of food is still part of the culture here and mixed with the local Malay, Chinese and Indian population. So we are currently in the Dutch colony part of the city. So let's show you around the Dutch infrastructure which is still around. That's the Christ Church in Malacca from 1753. It's the oldest functioning Protestant church in Malaysia and a Dutch colonial icon.
The iconic Malacca Fountain, a perfect photo spot right in that square.
The street food vibes at Dutch Square are irresistible. Time for some juices, watermelon and coconut available here. So yes, we are having watermelon juice here. It's a unique style, but directly from the watermelon. That's how the juicy. Yeah, let's have some watermelon juice. That's the beautiful river which runs through Malacca city. So they have various river cruises. If you want to enjoy the city from the boat or a cruise, please feel free to. Chendol ice cream is a delicious twist on the classic Malaysian dessert. It's a must try in Malacca where traditional meets refreshing innovation. Perfect for cooling down in the tropical heat.
Chendol ice cream. So it has some red greens and also coconut jaggery. So that tastes very nice with ice cream. It's vanilla ice cream, I think.
Nice. Thank you. you. That's the barbecue potato twister. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. That's the Arnold Schwarzenegger of Malaysia. So he was the pioneer of bodybuilding in Malaysia. So getting inspired by the Mr. Bodybuilder of Malaysia. That's the Malacca Chocolate House. You get a lot of chocolates and dessert options inside. These are local chocolates, Alfredos. That's the normal price and that's the promotion price for Ferrero Rocher. What is that, Vivan? Big lollipop. No, you have. Ooh, that's dime. Dime good.
So these are durian wafer cubes. Something different. A lot of variety you get here in this durian.
Chocolate shopping done, because who can resist, right? Beautiful street lighting. That's Stadhuis, which stands for Town Hall in Dutch. This was built in 1650 by the Dutch during their colonial rule. These are all the famous places here that we need to visit if you're here.
This is Malacca's iconic Hard Rock Cafe.
If you have time in hand, do try the boat rides, the best way to see Malacca from a different angle. Or else you can sit down the riverside restaurants and cafes and enjoy your drinks or meals.
Time for Pikachu ride, the cutest way to zip around Malacca. It's a fun and speedy way to explore Malacca's iconic spots. It lets you zip through the streets, see more in less time. Perfect for getting those quick photo ops and soaking in the vibes.
विवन इथे स्टँड कर.
This tiny stone gate behind me is what's left of A Famosa, once a Portuguese fortress. This was built in 1511 and this has stood, you're seeing 500 years of history right behind you. Bukit Malacca. If you come on a couple of days trip, probably you can explore this during daytime.
Eva museum. Architecture.
The Pikachu ride was absolute fun, especially because it was with Vivan. At just RM25 for a 15-minute spin, it's a must-try family adventure in Malacca.
Ooh, spooky alert. It's time to explore Yonker Street. Wow, all this hype just for a coconut ice cream. Those are quail eggs, a local favorite. And wow, night market is absolutely buzzing tonight.
These are colorful jelly balls which the kids absolutely enjoy in the market. These are traditional decorative and spiritual items found in Malaysian Chinese culture.
Asawari has nailed it. Thai barbecues looks delish. Amazing keychains. NY Kebaya or Artly Market. This one looks like a good store. Sorry. Some nice looking art stuff here. For your relaxation. Massage.
This store offers a variety of handcrafted goods, including intricate beadwork, vintage coins, and antique kitchenware. Whether you're looking for a unique souvenir or a cultural experience, this market has something for everyone. Don't miss the chance to explore and take home a piece of Malacca's history.
Definitely a must visit place if you would want to go for any artistic stuff and souvenirs to be gifted. It looks really good. This one is also really nice.
This street is full of vibrant clothes shops offering everything from traditional batik and Peranakan inspired outfits to trendy streetwear.
This is a must try dish if you're in Malacca. Rice balls with chicken. So it's called chicken rice balls. Very commonly found and quite famous in Malacca. Not for our taste buds. A little bland for us. Teppanyaki squid. You're a squid lover. Grilled octopus. Yeah, nice toy, everyone. Polish car. It's a toy store. Looks quite good. With the Marvel characters. It's an absolutely crazy street. You can get everything from food to stationery to glares or whatever you need here. So I think one of the best streets in Malaysia definitely to visit. It's quite hot and humid here. So it's let's see how we cope up with this and carry on. Geographer Cafe right behind me. One of the best spots here to chill and have food. So let's explore and let's see what's in store for us. Yeah, nice car. Everyone is having mango sticky rice. How is it, Chuni? Nice. Here. Time for some chicken satays.
It's time for my favorite strawberries dipped in rich chocolate sauce.
In case you're a tattoo lover, you can even have your face printed on these quirky souvenirs. Perfect for a fun, personalized keepsake or a hilarious gift to take home. Now it's time for some coconut ice cream. Oh, just a second, yeah. This is huge. I was not expecting it this big. I'm a coconut ice cream fan, but this is crazy size. Even next 1 week in the gym will not suffice to burn this. Oh, it's yummy. Super good, super good. Very tasty. Must try.
Malacca is home to stunning mosques like the Straits Mosque and Kampung Hulu Mosque. Tourists are welcome. Just dress modestly and avoid visiting during prayer times. After a whirlwind day in Malacca, it was finally time to head back home. Hello friends, so it's 2 a.m. and we have just reached home from our wonderful Malacca day trip.
So if you enjoyed the vlog, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you like this vlog, probably you would also like the Jalan Alor Food Street vlog and also the KL's Arab Street vlog, link above. So see you until next time.
Bye bye, good night.